ये ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्डर हुआ है और इसकी तहकीकात पूरी तरह होनी चाहिए और उस पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
और बोलो जांच हो जाए।
और टूरिज्म को लेकर, पर्यटन को लेकर मैं एक चीज और कहना चाहती हूँ कि लगातार भारत की प्रतिष्ठा को आघात पहुंचाने की कोशिश है।
I appreciate what you have done, but I want to know 3 साल हो गए, what justice are you going to give to the memory of this woman who suffered and her family? I don't want any more assurances. 3 साल तक मैं इस विषय पे बात नहीं की, मगर आज बाध्य हूँ। आप प्लीज बताइए, आप इमीडिएट एक्शन क्या लेंगे और कब तक लेंगे? अन्यथा यू आर आस्किंग फॉर अ वेरी बिग ट्रबल। और आप देश को ये तो बताइए कि आप सेफ्टी ऑफ विमेन की जो बात कर रहे हैं, जो विमेन की डिग्निटी को जो जिस तरह से इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर तुरंत इसी वक्त आप क्या कार्रवाई करेंगे?
I concede that there is an issue of who gave the permission and all that. But the reality is what the man spoke reflects the views of many men in India. And why are we shying away from that? Anytime there is a rape, blame is put on the woman that she was indecently dressed, she provoked the men. It is not just the man in the prison's views, it's the views of many men in India. Let's be aware of it and let's not pretend that all is well.
We were very surprised in the last 2 days when this topic was the burning topic of the day as to how those people got permission. I am told that the permission was given as a study case, not to be used outside at all, not to get into the public arena, and to be used as an input for how to deal with such criminals. Be it as it may. That may have been the case. Then today the inquiry has to be made how it all got into the public arena. And if it is true that this was done as a test case to get inputs on how to deal with such crime and criminals, then why was it necessary to give a foreign channel the permission to interview these people?